Hello guys, so here's the tutorial of how I made this beautiful backless top with some leftover fabrics that I have. So the measurements I used was my nipple to nipple measurements and my desired length. So I measured out the length of my top, which is 8.5, but I measured out 9.5 because of my half-inch allowance for both the upper part of the top and the lower part. And also I measured the width as 21 inches because my nipple to nipple measurement is 7 inches and 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. And I also added half-inch sewing allowance to both sides, which made my measurement 22 inches. And then I went ahead to cut it out. Then I went ahead to measure out the width of my rope, which I used 1.5 inches, and I made the length of the rope to be as long as possible. I used 120 inches for the length of my rope. So I went ahead to sew the half-inch allowance I left all around my fabric, and I left a small space where I would turn it to the right side. I also went ahead and sewed my rope together, and the next thing I did was that I folded it into two like a bias, then I folded it again and I run my stitches on it. So I created a channel for my rope and I ruled a straight line, and I made about 0.5 inch space, which I eventually changed to 0.75. So I advise that I use 0.75. Then I do it at the two sides of the dress where the rope would pass through, and I went to my sewing machine and I sew it down. This is the result. Then I opened up the space where the rope would pass through. I opened them up and I used my safety pin to pass my rope across. So when I brought it out, I fixed it in the next hole, making sure that my rope was straight, and I also brought it out from the next side. So when I brought it out, I removed the pin and I fixed it on the rope that is also on that same line with it. I fixed it on the rope and I put it back inside that same hole that I just came out from. I put it back there and I fixed it and removed it at the other hole, at the other end again. And when you bring it out, this is the result that you should have. Congratulations, you have a new top. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much guys. Bye.